Yo guys, what's going on? It's Elu. I just want to say thank you for anyone who's still supporting me. I'm really trying to focus on getting better more than uploading recently. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've sort of been lacking or slacking with uploads. But yeah, as soon as I get used to, I guess, editing a lot faster, I'll definitely hit some more edit clips. So yeah, this video is just I guess a filler. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy regardless. But yeah, see you guys in the next video.